I started my involvement with the mentorship program at the beginning of my sophomore year. And I got so hooked that I got a few different mentors throughout my years here. So I first got placed with a professional in the commercial real estate world, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my business degree. So sitting down with, his name is Brian, was really just exploring his career path, exploring what steps he took to get into the position that he found himself in, and then understanding the mechanics of kind of what his day-to-day responsibilities were. And after meeting with him, we met probably like once every month for half of my sophomore year. And although I quickly realized that commercial real estate wasn't the avenue that I wanted to go down, I got a really valuable experience of learning how to communicate with professionals in the professional world. And from that interaction, I went directly back to the mentorship program and I said, hey, I love this program. I think the technology industry is something that I want to pursue. I then got paired up with a sales director at a local technology company, and from that quickly fell in love with the technology world. I fell in love with the work environment. I fell in love with his day-to-day responsibilities. And from that, I knew that I wanted to take all the necessary steps to then land in a position that my mentor was in. And then finally, after leaving that mentor relationship, I wanted to have one more and reached back out to Mark and got connected to a professional at another technology company, but in a different, marketing position. I had some great takeaways from that. I learned, again, the mechanics of what that day-to-day was like, and really learned the culture of the technology industry. And I'm thanking my 19-year-old self because I wouldn't be in the position that I'm at now had it not been through my involvement of the mentorship program.